Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, normally, I am loading up chases of guys getting away from law enforcement. Today, I'm going to be mixing it up, trying something new. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hit and run types of videos where the dash cam footage catches all of it.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, shit. Oh my God, bro.
But I wanted to get the ones where the guy that ended up getting hit has a little bit of horsepower under the hood and tracks down the person that is running.
Oh my God.
All right, call 911. Put your seatbelt on, put your seatbelt on, put your seatbelt on. He crashed.
They were bad.
Bro.
But they crashed.
Bro.
So. Oh no. No, someone hit our van, our beer. And then we're trying to
Alright, let's see, it's I have no idea where we're at right now. What's this license plate number? License plate number? UNU275. UNU275.
UNU275. It's gray and it's a Honda.
Bro.
UNU275. We really don't know, but we're at Dodge or
Hit and run,
hit and run.
UNU275, hit and run. We're going down. Go.
Oh, they stopped, so.
Bro! He's running.
He's running. He ran.
He's running.
Okay,
He just ran.
So we're pulling over.
Yeah, we're pulling over.
We're pulling over and we're.
Alright, move it. Alright, bro.
Call 911.
Should I call emergency services?
Yes.
Calling emergency services.
I was just hit and the guy is running from me.
Okay, where are you?
I'm heading towards South Holland on 170th.
Okay, so you need to stop if you want your officer to come out.
He took off. I'm chasing him.
Okay, stop chasing him.
Okay.
Okay. Come back to Lansing.
There you have it, guys. A little bit of an offbeat from the normal videos that I usually load up. Typically, if you watch this channel, you know that you're going to be watching some pretty good escape videos. That's what I like to keep my eyes peeled for. Those super entertaining ones where the person shows some kind of level of skill or there's some kind of really good horsepower. Now, the reason why I did this one was because really the hit and run and then the chase after, it is mildly entertaining, especially when the person that's recording or got hit has a little bit of horsepower and tracks down the person that hit them. So, you know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I can keep my eyes peeled if you guys find this entertaining. And really, that's what I'm trying to do. You know, the stuff that I watch when I'm not doing YouTube is this kind of stuff. And I find it entertaining. And I figured you guys would find it entertaining as well. But yeah, guys, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear what you have to say. And if you have a really good, you know, chase video or a hit and run kind of video, shoot me a message on Instagram, RTLife_397, and potentially we'll load it up on the channel and I'll talk about it. So with that being said, guys, I'll check you on the next upload.
Now, are you close to Flamingo? Oh, shit.